Do you feel that there is shame in what we're doing?
Me, in my own opinion, I don't feel ashamed because siguro I'm just open-minded and just thinking about my son's future.
Okay, so what message do you want to give to those pursuing surrogacy and especially those pursuing overseas surrogacy? Especially to women.
Well, it's your choice, especially sa mga di makaanak dyan. Go lang ng go, ganun. Tapos, wala, ganun lang. Pursue lang what you think that makes you ganda happy, like having a baby, then trust each other na lang.
Mama, what are your words of encouragement to surrogate moms in the Philippines?
Kung sa tingin nyo, makakabuti sa'yo, sa family mo, then pursue nyo lang. Pero, dapat make sure mapagkakatiwalaan talaga yung tao. Ganun.